Hi, this is Larry Zoro for Hay Bale Gardens, horticulturist and hay bale expert. I'm here today to make a simple bale, a planting bale with my home baler. It's a bale that's growing. It's growing in size and it grows plants. Today we have an audience with us. Hey, welcome everyone here. Yeah, you too, sir. We got questions. Let's just get right to it. Sir, what may I do for you today? Okay, what he wants to know is, on a conventional straw or hay bale garden, how long does it take to water? Well, it only takes 1 minute if you're in Hawaii after a rain. But if you live in a drought area like Texas and Missouri, it may take hours, just you holding that hose all day long over that hay bale. Why? Because the hay bale has a tendency to breathe out all that moisture, and you just got to be over it. As the water runs out at the bottom of the bale, just hold it there in the hot sun. Oh, there's a better way of gardening. But it's my technique, Larry Zoro. And I'm going to show you, reveal to you today, this is one you're going to like on YouTube. You're going to actually push that like button. We got another question. Yes, you, ma'am. Okay, what she wants to know, is it safe to buy straw bales? Well, you know, everybody knows Larry Zoro. You never know what you got in a straw bale. You know, it's great if you buy a straw bale, say at Halloween time, and it has fire retardant sprayed on it. It's really great in case you smoke in your garden. If you put out your ashes on one, it won't just blaze up your whole garden. It'll actually put the fire out. So that's going to be a good idea. The other is that you're sprayed with pesticides, herbicides. You know, it'll tell me that a wheat farmer grows wheat today organically. That'd be a big stretch. But I think they use, a lot of them use, and I know for a fact they use pesticides and herbicides in their field. Now just think about it. When you grow with your straw bale, you never have to use pesticides. It's already been sprayed on the bale. It may not be good to digest, but certainly you won't have a problem with bugs or insects. Anyway, that's my take on it. Now let's get back to how to make a planting hay bale. That's right, a planting one. Of course, you need a home baler for $50. And did you ever see these people who have straw bales and with superhuman strength, like Superman, they just plunge their fist into the bale and make a little depression in order to grow a plant? Well, this thing takes all the work out of it. In fact, the work that it takes to put your fist in every bale of hay that you grow, you can build one of these puppies. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'm in the way, but there it is. You can build one of these puppies. Well, it's going to be a slideshow after my introduction because it's just a lot quicker that way on a video. And I'll be back for closing comments. This is Larry Zoro. Happy baling! Okay, after you've filled your home baler all the way up to top with hay and with your PVC pipe, and you used a tamping stick on it, here's my tamping stick, and just kind of tamp it around the inside of the home baler. And what you want to do is put Larry Zoro's organically mixed soil, fill it up to the top. As you see, I've already been filling it up to the top. Wiggle it a little bit as you pull it out. Now comes the fun part, the compression. Just stick it right on the top. Compress it. Yeah. Yeah. There it is. What you might want to do is dig out a little of that soil, and so you can plant your plant in it. What I have is some parsley plants. Did I grow these parsley plants? No, as it came free with the potting soil. Be amazed the stuff that starts growing in potting soil. And I'll just use some more of the potting soil that came with it. Just layer it on the top. And now for the home.